As our knowledge of what the human body needs to function improves year by year, there have been several revelations in relation to certain foods. Specifically, those foods we were always told were no good for us. Surprisingly, many of these foods have actually turned out to be good for us. However, it is crucial to keep in mind that even with these foods and other healthy ones, moderation and sensibility are key in getting the full benefits. So, let's dig into the 4 foods you've been told are bad for you that actually aren't. But before we do, be sure to subscribe so that you'll never miss another informative video. Number 1, chocolate. Chocolate, everyone's favorite snack, and one of the most in-demand commodities all over the world. For years, we've been told that the amount of sugar in chocolate would give us nothing but cavities and stomach aches. And while that may be true for the candy bar version of chocolate, dark chocolate is rated highly in terms of its bearing antioxidants. Antioxidants help the body get rid of free radicals. When left alone, can cause damage to DNA cells, resulting in various types of cancer. A bite or two of dark chocolate is an excellent way to get a bit of sweetness and curb any cravings you're having while you're also giving yourself a bit of antioxidant power. Number 2, wine. Before we go any further, we'll remind you that moderation is key. So we're certainly not encouraging anyone to replace their water intake with wine. However, with the occasional glass of red wine, you can reap the benefits of antioxidants, including an increase in good cholesterol and protection against the buildup of bad cholesterol. Certain polyphenols protect the heart by defending the lining of blood vessels. One such polyphenol, called resveratrol, has been linked to a reduction in inflammation and blood clotting. Number 3, fat. Back in the 1960s, the United States became obsessed with the low-fat diet. People were encouraged to eat less fat, use less oil, and skip the dairy. However, looking back from our current day vantage point, it is becoming more clear that the low-fat diet has done nothing to actually curb weight gain. With the population at a higher average weight now than ever before, we're beginning to see the error of our ways. In fact, fat has been deemed essential for our bodies in terms of energy and especially for healthy cell growth. Fat also isolate our bodies and shield our organs from damage. They are certainly not something we should be skipping out on. Number 4, eggs. Eggs are one of those foods that have bounced back and forth from good to bad so often that it's hard to know where they currently stand. Previously, eggs were deemed the devil incarnate for having such high cholesterol yolk. It wasn't too long after this that cartons of egg whites started showing up in grocery stores. However, in the past couple of years, as we've understood the importance of cholesterol, eggs have been deemed safe to eat. Indeed, 3 whole eggs per day is a safe amount for a healthy adult, though those with already high cholesterol may want to limit that number slightly. We would love to hear from you. If you have any little-known natural remedy to share, please leave them in the comments below. If you think this video helps, give us a thumbs up. If you subscribe and activate the notification bell, we will always let you know when there is another helpful video that comes out. Remember, stay healthy, stay happy.